Today we are going to discuss algebraic identities. So these identities already you studied in 9th standard. First one I am taking a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Fourth one x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Fifth one x plus a into x plus b into x plus c equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Sixth one a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, children. So we have to learn some more identities. Seventh one a plus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Eighth one a plus b a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Ninth one a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. These are some identities are given here. You just make it thorough with this. You have to memorize all these identities. Then we are going to discuss how we can factorize the given polynomial or the expression. That we can discuss now. Just you recollect the same formula for factorization. Factorization using identities. This is the factorization using identity. See here, the same formula we are going to use for this. That is, if it is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square. Second one, a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b the whole square. Third one, if it is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Fourth one, if it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Fifth one, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Sixth one, if it is a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. The fifth and sixth you have to do carefully. If it is a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b first, then in the next term, in the middle term, which will be in the minus, that is minus ab. The same thing, a cube minus b cube, a minus b first, then in the middle term, you are using plus. Then the seventh one, already we discussed that, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. These are the formulae you have to revise for factorization. What are the formula we discussed already? The same thing I written in the most of the places. Even fourth and fifth also you can take it in that order for factorization. Okay children, just revise all these things for that. Now we can discuss one or two problems how we can do the factorization problems. Listen children. First one, factorize. Factorize the following expressions. Just I am giving one or two questions here. That is, first one I am giving 2a square plus 4a square b plus 8a square c. Here just you have a look what's common in the constant terms. Here 2, 4, 8 are known as coefficients of a square b and a square c. Okay children. Out of 2, 4, 8, 2 is common. So you take 2 outside. First you take 2 outside. The rest will be a square plus 2a square b plus 4a square c. Now in the bracket terms, what is common? A square is common. You take a square outside, it becomes 2a square into 1 plus 2b plus 2c. This is the required factorization form. Okay, children. So this is very simple, easily you can do. Always we used to give importance to take the common terms, right children? So it's very important you have to practice such a questions. Now AB minus AC minus MB plus MC. Now nothing is common in all the four. Only one is common. Therefore, what to do? you group first two terms. That is, these two terms you take together, and next you consider these two terms. Right, children? So what we can do, first two terms a is common, a into b minus c. Then you take minus m from next two terms. It becomes minus m into b minus c. Are you clear with this? From first two terms, a is common. From the third and fourth term, minus m is common. Now, among these two terms, b minus c is common. You have to take b minus c as common. Therefore, the left out terms are a minus m into b minus c. This is the required factorization form. Are you clear, children? So you have to be careful while taking the common terms to do the factorization. Now I am giving another one question by using identity. Third one. Suppose I am taking x square plus 6x plus 9. Now it's very clear that this is in the form x square plus the last term is nothing but 3 square. Am I right? Therefore, I can write this 6x as 2 into x into 3. So 2 3s are 6x. So you are getting 6x. Now see here, this is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, this we can return as a plus b the whole square. What is the expression we are getting here? It's x plus 3 the whole square. Very clear, children? Now, the fourth one. See here, suppose you have 4 minus 64 x square. Now, this is equal to 4 is common in these two terms. So, you take 4 outside. It becomes 1 minus 64 divided by 4 is 16 x square. Now, we can write this as 4 into 1 square minus 4x the whole square. Here, children. Now this is equal to 4 into 1 plus 4x into 1 minus 4x. Okay, children. So you can factorize this. Fifth one. Suppose if it is in the form 27 a cube plus 125 b cube, which is equal to 27 we can return as 3 cube. So 3 cube into a cube plus 5 cube into b cube. Clear, children? 3 cube is 27 and 5 cube is 125. Now this we can return as this is equal to 3a the whole cube plus 5b the whole cube. Clear, children? Therefore, we can use a cube plus b cube formula. That is equal to a plus b, that is 3a plus 5b into 3a square. Am I right? A square term will come. That is 3a square is 9a square minus ab. That is product of 3a and 5b is 15ab plus 5b the whole square. That is 25b square. Okay, children. Here I applied some formulae to use these identities. Okay, children. Now I'll give you one more question to use another identity. Okay, so it becomes, see here I am going to use another identity. For this particular problem, L cube minus 8m cube minus 27 n cube minus 18 LMN. Okay, children. So this we have to factorize. Therefore, this is equal to, what is the form, just I'll write that. This we have to consider in the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, children. You know the formula for this. What is that? That is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Clear, children? Therefore, we'll get here, this we can modify, L cube as it is, I am writing, plus minus 2m the whole cube plus minus 3n the whole cube minus, I can write the last term as 3 into L into minus 2m into minus 3n. First three terms I am taking, that is L minus 2m and minus 3n. You multiply and check, it becomes 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 80 LMN. Therefore, we can use the identity what I written here. A plus B plus C, that is L minus 2m minus 3n into A square, that is L square, plus minus 2n the whole square, that is 4m square, m square, plus 9n square minus A into B. So what will happen? Minus of that minus becomes plus 2LM. Next will be minus product of B and C. It becomes plus 6MN. Then minus CA, product of first term and the third term. It becomes minus, so it becomes plus 3NL. So this is the required factorization form. Okay, children? Very clear? Next, we are going to discuss another important factorizations, that is the factorization of quadratic polynomial. Okay, we are going to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Okay, children. It's also already studied, so we can make use of this. Right, children. Here we are going to discuss in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, comma a is not equal to 0. This is the general quadratic polynomial. Okay, children. Now, first question I'm going to give you, just you see that. Factorize 2x square plus 15x plus 27. So what we have to do, you have to check the sum and product. See here, I'll explain it. Please listen carefully. You take A and C, that is the product. The middle one is the sum. Okay, children. So now I am writing the product is 2 into 7, that is 54 plus 54. Sum is 15. Now you have to find two numbers. You should give the product 54 and sum 15. Can you guess the numbers? The numbers are 9 plus 9 and plus 6. Okay, children, then only the product will be 54 and sum will be 15. Now what to do? You see the first term, that is ax square term. So you divide both the numbers by 2x and 3x. You can cancel this 2 and 3. Am I right? 2 and 6 you can cancel, it becomes 3. Therefore, we are getting from here, you have to take from the down. This is equal to, that is 2x square plus 15x plus 27 is equal to 2x plus 9 into x plus 3. This is the required factorization form. Now I am giving another question. Just listen carefully. Y square minus 16y minus 80, which is equal to, now the product is minus 80 and the sum is minus 16. What are the numbers? Can you guess? Minus 10. Sorry. Come on, children. Just try. What are the numbers which will give? Sum is minus 16 and the product is minus 80. So if it is product is minus 80, it's very clear that one of the number must be negative. Okay. So you can guess the numbers minus 20 and plus 4. Can you guess this? You add these two, you will be getting minus 16. The product is minus 80. In the first term, we have y square, so you write y. Therefore, it becomes y minus 20 into y plus 4. Clear, children? Third one, a square plus 10a minus 600. You try to factorize this. Here the product is minus 600 and the sum is 10. Can you guess the numbers? Minus 30 and plus 20. You take the product, it becomes minus 600. You add that, it becomes minus 10. So it should be in other form. So it should be very careful. So minus, instead of minus 30, you have to take plus 30. So plus 30 and minus 20, the product will be minus 600 again. So sum is plus 10. The first term is a square, you write a. Therefore, it becomes a plus 30 into a minus 20. Can you follow, children? One more question. 9 minus 18x plus 8x square. You just rewrite that. This is equal to 8x square minus 18x plus 9. Come on, just think what will be the product. The product is 8 9s are 72 plus 72 and sum is minus 18. Can you follow, children? Here product is positive, sum is negative. Therefore, both the numbers must be negative. Am I right, children? Now just think So the possible numbers are minus 12 and minus 6. You add these two, you are getting minus 18, and the product 12 6 are 72. First term is 8x square, so you divide by 8x. You can cancel this, it becomes 2 times and it's 3 times. Since I cancel for fourth table, then you cancel for 2 table, it's 4 and this is 3. Therefore the factors are 2x minus 3 into 4x minus 3. This is the required factors. Are you clear, children? So these are the things you have to remember and have to practice. So this is the basic things to go for 10th standard algebra. Particularly these 4 sums you have to practice again and again. These type of the problems we are going to use them. So what are things today we discussed? That is first one, algebraic identities. So please go through all the identities and make it thorough with this. Then factorization using identity. For this also you have to recollect the same formula in other way. Next is common factors we took. That is the another one type of factorization. Next is using formulae. Then factorizing the quadratic polynomial. Okay, children, a simple method I explained, so easily you can do that. Okay, children, normally the same problem, this one I am going to explain. Instead of using this T method, you can take the same form, that is 9 minus 18x plus 8x square equal to 8x square minus 18x plus 9. For this also you have to find the numbers. We obtain the numbers minus 12 and minus 6. So 8x square you write as it is minus 12x minus 6x plus 9. First and last term you write as it is. Middle term you have to separate based on these two numbers. Now you can take the common factors from the first two terms, which is 4x. So 4x into 2x minus 3. Are you clear, children? I took 4 from both the terms, so it becomes 2 and the second term becomes minus 3. X I took outside, so I'll get x only in the first term. Next you take minus 3 outside. So minus 3 you take outside, it becomes 2x minus 3. Clear, children? Among these two terms, 2x minus 3 is common. You take 2x minus 3 outside, the rest of the terms is 4x minus 3 into the common term 2x minus 3. Are you clear, children? The same answer we are getting here also. Right? You can follow either this method or the previous one. Right, children? So you have to practice similar sums from 9th standard textbook.